Welcome to my channel. Today we learn about to make a subscribe logo in the HTML and CSS using the HTML and CSS. Make the subscribe button logo and we should go first. We are using a Visual Studio Code and use the Google Chrome both in like this one. First open a Visual Studio Code and go make a new file folder, make a make a name html, name the subscribe.html and a slash like that, and delete this one and go and make a button slash subscribe button and control S and open the license and go open with the license and go like that. This one is a subscribe logo, but real subscribe logo is you go to just simple the button exercise, go button exercise. This one is a subscribe logo is a different and our one is also different. This one is like HTML elements, the button, and we are using a style like this button style, like make an editing appearance in there. So we can go first like just make a enter, and I want to make a style here. Style is in the CSS. Style is like appearance. You can add the appearance in there, and you can first use a class. Class is an ID for your like this element. What is your ID in the like other programming language? We can use variables, a lot of things. And this one use the ID, like we using a class for the ID. So we can make a sub on this sub, and here we can like use a tab and dot like make a sub slash inside, and in the sub inside we can first make like your button color, and we want to make a like a same color. Go to inspect and open this controller and go like this one, click and go click these buttons, and what this button color is RGB to 204. I will tell you about what is the RGB. First go to like the border. First go to the border, and border you can go like the non border. We don't want to make our border like non and save, and go like so without border, and make a width is like 80 pixel is enough, and go like that. Look, page we can like 90 pixels. Control S. What this one about it? 19 pixel is so small and 90 is so big. We need like 100 pixel of the weight of this one, because 100 is good, because we need a little bit big this weight. Look, we can check here close. Look, this one is so big, so big. We can go there and like it's so big weight, and I am zooming. It's easy for you. So this one, and make a height. Height is like 70 pixel. I think it's big, but we can try this one. Look, it is big. We need a 35 px. Control S. Yeah, 35 is good. What about 30? We can doing 30, like we can doing the lot of anything like, and let's go to is a good like is good same like this one. Yeah, and we need a little bit more weight. We need a on 20 pixel and go like that 120. Yeah, but this little bit is too weak. We need 150 on 50 pixel and go control C and go check this one. Yeah, a little bit one for me. We need like 110 pixel, 5 pixel minus and check this one. Yeah, it's good. Go to outside and to use tab and go to background color. We using the RGB for the color. R means red, G means green, and B means blue. And go slash and go 204 0 0 and control S. We use look it's the same color. We go to font. We go to font. We go to original color. We go to white and control S. Look this one color is white. Look, this one is normal and this one is also normal for background. And we can go like make a see this one is radius is little bit like circle. We can go like that and this one is like a rectangle. So we go there and make border radius. Border radius is like this one point for point. We need like 5 pixel and look this one. Oh, it's a little bit so big. We need a 2 pixel and 2 pixel is good and this one is good. This one is good for the subscribe buttons and we can go like is everything is good like the font. Look, this font is same, this one is same, and you can look this one I touch here is like a hover. Look, my pointer go there. We want to make a pointer here, so we go cursor. Here, so cursor, make a pointer. It's your choice. Do you want to make a pointer or grab and something? But my choice is a pointer is good. I want. Do you want to make a grab? Go grab. Like grab. If you want to make like grab to control S and make a and press like reload grab. But my choice is like a pointer. Some people make like a progress. Progress is like a loading in there, and we can go like the hover sub slash hover or hover and go like that and make a beige color and go like that and control V and make like you don't need to make a shadow in this image, but some point we should make a shadow like this control S and reload this one. Look, it's little bit white and go back and go transitions, go transitions, go opacity slash 0.15 seconds. With the opacity, we can make like opacity in there. Look, is good. Opacity is good, and we want to make like dot slash active. When you click the button, it show to different color. Just say active. Like active means you click this button. You click if nothing changes, but and this one, and I want to click, and I want to click like, and I want to click. I want to make like a different color. Go copy and go paste and go check everything is good, fine, and level. Even go there and make so easy and go and control X. Look is different and look when I click this button it's different. Look, I am first go there, it's different color. Click the button, it's different. This one is a subscribe button. Do you want to learn more? To please subscribe to my channel and doing the active the bell icon and thank you for the your watching this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.